Hello all, welcome to AtCoder Beginner Contest 382. We are solving problem C, Kaiten Sushi. So in this problem, there are n people, number from 1 to n, and they are visiting a conveyor belt sushi restaurant. The government level of the I person is AI, and there are m pieces of sushi that will be placed on the conveyor belt. The deliciousness of the jth sushi is BJ. Each person of the sushi passes in front of the person from 1 to n. So there are m sushis that will pass in front of the each people, and each person, when a sushi whose deliciousness is not less than their government level in front of them, will eat it. That is deliciousness. If that deliciousness is greater than equal to their government value, that person will eat that sushi, and that sushi won't be go to the next person. It is consumed. Now next sushi will come, and we need to answer that for m pieces of sushi, who will eat the sushi or nobody eats it. So let's say we have 5 here. So 3 is the government value. Since 5 is greater than government value, the very first person will eat it. Now we have 2. It is less than the government value of first and second. It is not less than the third value, so third person will eat it. Now we have the last is 1. So it is less than all the values or the government levels that we have, so nobody will eat it, so -1 is the answer. One thing to observe is, whenever deliciousness of a sushi is greater than equal to 3, all that sushi will be consumed by this person, because it won't be passed on to the next person. The only sushi that will be passing whose deliciousness is less than 3, and that will only pass, and 8, 7 or any value greater than 3 that is present on right hand side of the 3, they will never be able to eat any sushi, because all that will be consumed by the first person, because it is on the left hand side. Now we have 2. So any value less than 3 for the deliciousness, that is, let's say, if instead it had 1, so 2 and 1, that will be consumed by this person, because deliciousness should be greater than that the government levels. That is the one thing that we have to note. In the next example, we have 3 ones government levels and 3 sushis with 1 deliciousness. So it will be all consumed by the very first person, because he's at the very starting, and any value that is greater than equal to deliciousness value greater than equal to government level, he will consume that sushi. For this example, let us jump to Rotor.io, that there are 5 sushis. What I want is, I want that what is the maximum sushi deliciousness that I have. So I will take priority queue for that. I will insert all the elements in the priority queue in a pairwise, that is element and their index, whatever index that I have. That will help me in printing out my final outcome. We'll come back to it later, but first we will put them in priority queue. Now 70, 52, 39, 33, 38. Now what I'll do is, one thing is, I know that if I am very first position, if any value that is greater than equal to that value, all the levels in the priority queue, that will be consumed by this very first person. Let's say instead of 70, we had a 4 more value, the 100, 80, 70 or 61. All this will be consumed by this person, that is 60, the various government level. So let's start with the iteration. So what I'll do is, I will basically jump to my first element. I see, is that the first element is greater than 60 or not. Yes, it is greater. So I will update that the very first sushi, that whatever value is there, I know its index. So at that particular index, what I'll do, I'll update that the answer for this sushi is, the first person will eat it. I got it. So I have updated that for sushi 0, that is in my answer 0 vector that I will be having, you update it to 1. Why? So because the first person will eat it, and now I will remove that front element. Now I will be on 52. I'll check that, is 60 greater, 52 greater? No, it's not. So I will iterate move to 83. Is 83 less than, oh sorry, 52 greater than equal to 83? No, I will increase to 76. I will again check, if 52 is greater than equal to, no, then 45. Yes, here I found that, yes, 45 is less than 52. So at answer 2, you update with the ith value, that is the iteration I'm doing, that is the fourth. You update it and remove that element from my array. So instead, what I can do is, I can add one value here. So let's say answer of 0 was 1. Now I removed answer of 0, 1, 2. Answer of 2 got to 4. Yeah. Now I have answer of 1 left, answer of 3, and then answer of 4. Okay, now let's 39. So I was here, 39 is less than, so I move to another element. No, I don't find it. 39 greater than. I will continue this until I am here. This is 1 2 3 4 5 seventh position. So seventh position, I encounter that deliciousness is greater than equal to. So what I'll do it at answer 1. Answer 1 I will update to the index. The index is sorry, it will be updated to 7, and I will remove that top element, and now I am at 33. Now I will again see 33 is not greater than 37. 58, no, I will keep on going on. I'm at 22. I will found yes, that is my answer. At answer 3 I will update it to 10. Answer 3 I will update it to 10. I will remove that from my priority queue. Now I'm left with 18. I see that my index is over. Well, the things are done, so I don't have anything left. So since that's the case, it will be -1. So that is all that we need to do in this problem. So let's jump to the code. What I'm doing over here is I'm maintaining this NNM, maintaining let me quickly check why I need to do this pair. Why I'm maintaining a pair in here. 8i dot second. I don't think that it is needed over here. We will quickly check by submitting it again. So what I done is I am maintaining a two pairs, A and B. A along with the dormant value and the index, B along with the deliciousness and their index. I've created answer of size m, initialize it -1. That is for the cases where that won't be coming in the, that is for 4. That case it will -1. So we are not touching it. So initialized it with -1. Now started iterating through my array. I'm checking that if my b dot size is 0, simply return. So if particle is empty, b dot size, yeah, b dot size is my particle, b dot size is empty, simply return it. Otherwise, keep on checking that if ai dot first is less than or x. So ai is my index. I could have simply used this ith. I don't need to use that, so I'll update that code. I was trying experimenting out a couple of stuff, so that is why it was a leftover. So yeah, if a of I is less than equal to x, you simply go and take that b dot top element that is present there, b dot top elements second value. So first value will be the element value, second will be the index. So at answer of that index, update it to ai dot second. Ai dot second is basically the value that I have. Ai dot second, yes, because in the outcome what we need to do is you have to give the indices, not the values. So ai dot second will represent my indices. What I'll do is once that is done, I will pop that is from my priority queue. I will check again that after popping it's very necessary to check, otherwise we'll go out of bounds. If it's that, break it out. Otherwise, continue doing that, update my x to the top element. Then go and continuously check that if that is the case, when I was talking about that am I at 60 and I have four values that is greater than 60, that all will be consumed by that 60. So the first indexed value. So that is why this loop is important. And once that is done, I can assure that there is no value greater than equal to 60 that will be coming again. So that is why I will move until I encounter any value that is less than 60. So that is why this all the nested loops is doing. So this is order of n only. Why so? Because we are iterating this a only once and b only once. So this is can be assumed as a two pointer stuff, that we are maintaining two pointers. One will be at pointing to bth array, another to eighth array, and then we are doing the stuff. So yeah, and finally once all that the loop is done, we'll simply return our answer values, whatever we have, and that will be in that order because we used those pairs to map them to the correct ordering. So yeah, that is all that we have to do in this problem. If you have any query, do comment it out and flag the video, hit the like button, and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.